Welcome aboard the Sand Patch.
Your excursion today will take you on a journey back through time to an era in which the Erie Canal made Rochester America's first boomtown.
You will also travel along one of New York State's largest ecosystems. The Erie Canal corridor includes approximately 40% of New York State's freshwater resources and drains nearly half of the state's total area.
Who cares, you might ask? Fish do. So do birds, bacteria, plants, beavers, deer, and the hundreds of other flora and fauna that call the canal home.
So do fishermen, boaters, hikers, bikers, residents, visitors, and others who enjoy this unique and historic water resource here in New York State.
Youth and adults have been using the Sand Patch as a science lab, testing the water quality of the Erie Canal and contributing their findings to the Finger Lakes Institute database. They assess physical, chemical, and biological characteristics of the canal and its surroundings in order to learn about human impact on the canal's water quality.
Our citizen scientists know that every living thing, from the white-tailed deer and great blue heron to the tiniest macroinvertebrates and zooplankton, are important to the food chain in the canal ecosystem. If the canal's water conditions are made unhealthy through pollution, the food chain becomes disrupted and the plants and animals that live there die.
When that happens, scientists consider the body of water dead and it becomes unsafe for humans as well as plants and animals.
Here are some simple ways you can help make sure our Erie Canal ecosystem continues to thrive.
Dispose of trash in proper receptacles. Litter can choke or suffocate fish, ducks, turtles, and birds. Litter also makes the canal unsightly for residents and visitors.
Don't over-fertilize. Nutrients from fertilizers run off lawns into the canal and its tributaries. This causes overstimulation of aquatic plant and algae growth. These plants block the sunlight from reaching deeper, more healthy aquatic plants. They also use up dissolved oxygen, making it hard for fish and aquatic invertebrates to breathe.
Use pesticides sparingly. Pesticides also run off into the Erie Canal and its tributaries and can poison the zooplankton and macroinvertebrates that form the foundation of the canal's food chain.
Clean up after your pet and dispose of pet waste properly. Animal waste also causes algae growth.
Dispose of used motor oil at a local gas station and never dump oil down a sewer drain. In addition, repair automobile oil leaks promptly. Oil can drown or poison the flora and fauna that live in and around the canal.
Plant trees to prevent erosion. Erosion of soil makes the canal water murky. Murky water prevents sunlight from reaching the aquatic plants. In addition, the material in the water can harm the gills of organisms that live in the water.
Leave your car at home for short trips. Bike or walk instead. Automobile exhaust returns to the earth as acid rain. Acid rain softens the bones of fish and clogs their gills with mucus.
Good water quality in the Erie Canal is essential for navigation, drinking, recreation, irrigation, and a healthy ecosystem for plants and animals.
This presentation was sponsored by the New York State Pollution Prevention Institute.
The Sand Patch Environmental Education on Erie Canal program is also supported by these sponsors.